Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to paint an MDF Thoran using acrylic colors. So this is part of a Marvelite leaf. Okay, what I had done is I have applied 2 coats of green, brown, and I've used red for the kalasham, which I'll be showing you a little later. Then I have made use of gold liner and orange liner. So let me start. I'll show you how I do it. So with the liner, I'm giving an outline. Keep a waistcloth next to you because in case the liner oozes out. So I have started doing like this. Okay, it's my own design. You can give any design of your choice. So the top portion is complete now. Now I'll start drawing the outline of the leaf. This is supposed to be the branch. Make sure that your green paint is completely dry before you start applying the 3D outliner. The outliner should press against the surface to form an even line. So the outline is complete now, but now I'll start filling the veins. So this is now complete. This is now complete. Allow it to dry completely. So I make sure to keep everything tightly closed. So this is done now. Let me show you on a completed dry leaf how to decorate this. So you can make I have put orange color dots on the top. The vein, everything is ready now. So I am going to use various embellishments to decorate this. So the first thing that I am going to do is I am going to put a golden color stone. I am using a normal A+ glue to fix this right in the center. I have these Kalash stones So I'm using a green color one. I'm applying glue to the back of the Kalash stone and then I'm going to stick it. I next have an orange flower which I'm going to put it at the bottom. This is also a Kundan stone only, floral shape. So this is done now. Next, I want to add an acrylic Ganesha. Okay, for this I need A+ glue. I'm sorry, I'm going to use All Fix. I've stuck the Ganesha now. So this is done. Okay, let me show you how I'm going to string it. I have already started stringing the first few. So I started with an wooden bead or the golden thread. So I've just strung that. So this is how I have fixed. There were totally 6 leaves and 1 Kalash in this set. So this is MDF actually. So I have fixed 3 on one side. Okay, the Kalash comes into the center, and so now I'll be fixing this to this side. Okay, you can see that these ropes are having raw edges. So what I do is I usually take a little glue I apply it to my finger and make sure that these raw edges are smoothened like this. So it's easy to put the cutout inside. So I go from front. And take it through the hole on the other side. Don't make it too tight. So I have one more to finish, but that is still not dried up. So let me show you how this is. I'll put it on the white table cover so that you can have a complete look of it. The finished piece will be shown during my next class.